Hi everyone, welcome back. In our last lesson, we discussed the thermodynamic properties of monoatomic gas in terms of partition function. In this lecture, we are discussing the thermodynamic properties of diatomic gas. Thermodynamic properties of diatomic gas. For a diatomic gas, all the three motions, that is the translation, rotation and vibrational motions are there. In addition to these motions, also electronic energy contribution. So all the energy contributions are considered. That is total partition function Q is equal to Q translational times Q rotational, Q vibrational, Q electronic. But as we know, the electronic contribution is very less, so we can omit this Q electronic term. So which is equal to Q translation in Q rotation in Q vibration. That's the total contribution towards the total partition function of a diatomic gas. But here, translation partition function and the translational properties, thermodynamic properties, already discussed in our last class. Okay, translation internal energy 3/2 RT. Like that, we discuss all the properties, internal energy and the heat capacity and entropy are discussed. So now our discussion confined to rotation and the vibrational motion. So now we discuss only rotation and the vibration properties and rotation in terms of rotation partition function and the vibration partition function. First we can look the rotational thermodynamic properties of a diatomic molecule or thermodynamic properties of diatomic molecules in terms of rotational partition function. The first one is internal energy. That is internal energy of diatomic molecules in terms of rotational partition function. So you can put it as U rotational or rotational internal energy. Rotational internal energy or internal energy due to rotational motion, which is equal to, as we know, equation RT square dou by dou T ln Q rotation. ln Q rotation. That is our equation. And Q rotation, which is equal to 8 pi square I kT by sigma h square. When we differentiate these, all the terms except T are constant, so we get a zero value for all these one, and we can differentiate this as, that is U rotational is equal to RT square dou by dou T ln T. The remaining terms are constants, so we can omit, or we will get zero value for the differentiation of these terms. So the next is dou by dou T of ln T. We can write as dou by dou T of 8 pi square Ik by sigma h square plus dou by dou T of ln T. Okay, that is dou by dou T of 8 ln 8 pi square Ik by sigma h square plus dou by dou T ln T. That's the equation. No need of this expansion. So we get this as zero value. So it is equal to dou by dou T ln T. It's nothing but RT square into 1 by T, which is equal to RT. So rotational internal energy is equal to RT. Rotational internal energy is equal to RT, which is equal to RT. And heat capacity in terms of rotational partition function, as we know, this is equal to dou U by dou T at constant volume, which is equal to dou by dou t of RT at constant volume, which is equal to R. Which is equal to R. So, heat capacity, which is equal to CV is equal to R, rotational. Then S rotational. Entropy in terms of rotational partition or entropy due to rotational motion of the molecule. So we know entropy is equal to U by T plus R ln Q. We have the equation, or we derive the equation for entropy. Here entropy is S rotational, which is equal to U rotational by T plus R ln Q rotational. What is U rotational? It is RT. RT by T, simply T. That is, which is equal to RT by T plus R ln 8 pi square IKP by sigma H square. This T and T cancel each other, so which is equal to R plus R ln 8 pi square IKT by sigma H square. You can take a R common out, so which is equal to R into 1 plus ln 8 pi square IKT by sigma H square. That's the equation for entropy in terms of rotational partition function. So three terms in terms of rotational, motion of rotational partition function. And next we are moving to vibrational partition function and thermodynamic properties. That is Q vibrational and related properties. The first one we are that is U vibration. You know what is Q vibration? Q vibration is U vibration is equal to RT square dou by dou T ln Q vibration. But Q vibration is equal to 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus h nu by kT. Or we can write as 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by T. But theta vibration characteristic, vibration temperature, and caps theta, which is equal to vibration is equal to h nu by k. All the equations are discussed in our previous lectures. Just watch the videos. So we are substituting the value of Q vibration here. Okay, e raised to minus theta vibration by T, for example, theta vibration by T, which is equal to RT square dou by dou T ln. I am writing this as 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by T whole raised to minus 1. Okay, 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus theta by T, just like 1 minus e raised to minus theta by T to the power minus 1. So since it is a log, x raised to n is equal to nx. Okay, ln x raised to n is equal to n ln x. So we can put this. That is U vibrational is equal to RT square into minus 1 dou by dou T ln 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibrational by T. Instead of theta vibration by T, you can put it as h nu by kt, it doesn't matter. Or you can put it as x, for example. Just x. Minus 1 into RT square, it is minus RT square. So our equation becomes minus RT square dou by dou T ln rearranging the equation. That is dou by dou t ln 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibrational by t. You can write it as dou by dou t ln q is equal to 1 by q dou by dou t q. Okay. 1 by q into dou q by dou t. That is dou by dou t ln q. Dou by dou t ln this. That is this term, which is equal to similarly, that term can be written as, that is dou by dou t ln 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by t can be written as 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by t into dou by dou t 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by t. We are just omitting this ln term just for the convenience to differentiate the function. Okay, so we can write this as, that is u vibration is equal to minus rt square into this term. Okay, into this term, that is minus rt square into 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by t into dou by dou t of 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by t. That's our equation. So then we can differentiate only this term. So differential of that term, that is d by dou by dou t of 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibration by t. This time we have 0. So differential of this one, that is which is equal to e raised to minus theta vibration by t. Sorry, minus e raised to minus theta vibration by t into theta vibrational. Suppose minus theta vibrational, theta by t, it can be written as theta vibrational into minus 1 by t. Right? We know the differential of 1 by t, it is minus 1 by t square. Differential of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Differential of minus 1 by t is simply plus 1 by t square. Okay. Into theta vibrational into 1 by t square. Right? If it is 1 by t, we get minus 1 by t square, but it is minus 1 by t, so we get 1 by t square. Okay? So we are substituting this value here. So we get u vibrational, which is equal to minus rt square into 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus theta vibrational by t into minus e raised to minus theta vibrational by t into theta by t square. Theta vibrational by t square. This minus into minus become plus. So our equation is u vibration is equal to rt square 1 minus 1 by e raised to minus theta vibration by t into this t square and t square cancel each other. So into e raised to minus theta vibration by t into theta vibration by theta vibration. The t square is just cancel each other. So there is no t square. T square is cancelled. T square and t square is cancelled, so there is no t square. So we can write it as r into theta vibrational into e raised to minus theta vibrational by t divided by 1 minus e raised to theta vibrational by t. Okay, just put theta vibration by t is equal to x, or theta vibration is equal to x into t. Okay, so instead of theta vibration we can put it as x into t. So u vibrational, which is equal to r into xt, that is rt into x into e raised to minus x divided by 1 minus e raised to minus x. Okay, e raised to minus x by 1 minus e raised to 1 minus x. Then theta vibration, which is equal to xt. Okay, but here 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus, that is 1, which can be written as this term, only this term, right? That is e raised to minus x by 1 minus e raised to minus x is equal to e raised to minus x, or we can write it as this 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by e raised to plus x. E raised to minus x is equal to 1 by e raised to x. So 1 minus e raised to minus x is equal to 1 minus 1 by e raised to x. So e raised to x, we are multiplying, we get on cross multiplication e raised to x, that is 1 divided by e raised to x minus 1 divided by e raised to x. Then this will come up, so we get e raised to x by e raised to x minus 1. So instead of this term, that is this term, we can substitute this quantity. So our equation, that is u vibration is equal to rt into x, okay, into e raised to minus x into e raised to plus x by e raised to x minus 1. So this and this cancel each other, which is equal to rt into x divided by e raised to x minus 1. That is u vibration is equal to this one. So when we are replacing this value, that is x, the value of x, that is u vibration, which is equal to rt into theta vibration by t divided by e raised to theta vibration by t minus 1. That's the equation we obtained for vibrational internal energy. Okay. Then vibration entropy, SV, as we know, which is equal to u vibration by t plus r ln q vibration. U vibration by, this is our equation, that is, or the previous one, that is rtx by e raised to x minus 1. So this equation will become rtx by t into e raised to x minus 1 plus r ln 1 by 1 minus e raised to minus x. Okay, where x is equal to theta vibration by t. So this t and t cancel, we get s vibration, which is equal to r into x by e raised to x minus 1 plus r ln 1 minus e raised to minus x all raised to minus 1. All raised to minus 1. Okay. So this minus comes here. So our equation becomes r x by e raised to x minus 1 minus r ln 1 minus e raised to minus x. Here taking r common, so SV equal to r into x by e raised to x minus 1 minus ln 1 minus e raised to minus x. That is the equation for vibrational entropy. Vibrational entropy. Then CV is equal to dou u by dou t at constant volume is equal to dou by dou t RTX into 1 e raised to x minus 1. It is u is equal to RTX by e raised to x minus 1. It comes up, we get this one. So on differentiation we get r, this RT become r into x e raised to x, that is e raised to theta vibration by t minus 1, all raised to minus 1. It become e raised to theta vibration by t minus 1, all raised to minus 1 become minus 1 into e raised to theta vibrational by t minus 1, all raised to minus 2 on differentiation into this term, that is e raised to theta vibrational by t into theta by t all raised to minus 1, that is theta by t all raised to minus 1, which is equal to theta t. Okay, right? So the next term become simply theta. Okay, this term raised to minus 2 into this term and differential of this theta vibration by t whole raised to minus 1. So it become theta. So we can substitute the value as, and here also there is a differential of RT into x, dou by dou t of x. Dou by dou t of x is the, what is x? X is equal to theta vibration by t, which is equal to theta vibration by t square. 1 by t is equal to minus t square. Okay. So CV is equal to r into theta v vibration by t square into theta into e raised to theta vibration by t into 1 by e raised to theta vibration by t minus 1 all raised to 2. We can write it as 1 by e raised to theta vibration. So this and this we get r into theta vibration by t square square. So all square e raised to theta vibrational by t divided by e raised to theta vibrational by t minus 1 whole square. If you put the x in terms of x, it's equal to r into x square into e raised to x by e raised to x minus 1 whole square. That is the equation for CV. That is in terms of vibrational partition function. Hope the points are clear, and if you have any doubt you can comment. Thank you for listening.